everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 10th to the 14th of July 2023 on Monday. The Hlophe house is turned upside down as siblings continue to wage war on each other. Andile enacts his plan to get rid of an enemy on Tuesday. Andile clashes with Flora and threats are made. Ndumiso's denial pushes him to make a nonsense of himself on Wednesday. The sibling rivalry between Nomafo and her sister reaches a boiling point. Andile runs to Makosi when he starts to feel like the walls are closing in on him. Munolo finds himself or herself in the precarious position she's been avoiding on Thursday. Andile finds himself sucked deeper and deeper into Makosi's web. Nomafo tries to undo the effects of her action, but it's legally too late on Friday. Old wounds are healed for Nomafo while Andile finds himself yet in another mess. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.